Did you know that you can multiply two-digit numbers without using the long multiplication method? In this video, I'll be showing you how to multiply any given two-digit numbers without using the long multiplication method where you have to multiply 6 times 7, 6 times 4 and going all that route. So we will be using a pattern and the pattern looks like this: 1, x and then 1. So this one now means that we will multiply 7 by 6. Then now let's first multiply 7 by 6. To multiply 7 by 6, what is 7 times 6? 7 times 6 is 42. We will write 2 and then we keep 4 somewhere. Then the next stage will be for us to multiply 6 by 4 and then add it to 3 times 7 and then we will add it to the 4 that we kept here, so that we'll be having what is 6 times 4? 6 times 4 is 24. We will add it to this 4, that will give 4 plus 24, then plus 3 times 7 is what? 21. So 4 plus 24 is 28. 28 plus 21 will give 49. So we write 9 and this time around we'll be keeping this 4. We'll be adding it to the next step, and don't forget the next step is another one, this one whereby we multiply 4 times 3. You can see 1x1. So 4 times 3 now would give what? That's 12. So we now add the 4 to 12. 4 plus 12 and that will be 16. Then we write 16. Press your calculator and let me know if you get it or not. Let's try one more example so that you can understand it very well. Now let's multiply 85 by 13. Don't forget the pattern. The pattern is 1, x, and then 1. So we multiply 5 times 3 is what? 15. We keep 1. 8 times 3 is 24. That will be 1 plus 24. Then plus 1 times 5 is 5. So 1 plus 24 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. We write 0 and then we keep 3. Now the next stage is for us to multiply 8 by 1. That's 8. 8 plus 3 would give 11. This is 1105. Press your calculator and tell me, and also try other numbers and tell me in the comments if this works or not. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up so that you can get more videos like this. See you in the next video.